La 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 la.
Hey, listen.
Huh?
Take your tiffin and then go.
Arey, what is the need for this? I'm not going to office today. I am just going outside for few hours.
Then what happened? You should eat homemade food and not from outside. Come on, take it.
Yes, Babita. I have a flight today to catch. Can you pack all my bags today? Okay.
Atul, I am just tired of all these tours of every week.
Oh my darling. I'll have to fulfill my target. That's why I need to travel to different places.
Then leave such kind of job, due to which you can't even give time to your own wife.
Madam, you don't get this kind of job every day. And this job is so nice. How can I leave this job? Huh? I'll come very soon. Bye. Take care.
Okay, now go.
Bye.
Yes, tell Atul.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Atul this side, sir.
Yes, Atul, I know you. How are you?
Sir, I'm really in trouble, sir.
What happened?
For company's work, I have to go outside every week, sir. What to do? I'm really tired, sir, now.
Oh,
Sir, I have worked really hard for your company. And also have given my 100% to this company, sir.
yes, I know that.
Sir, my wife is really frustrated. I cannot give time to my family, sir. Sir, please help me, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what about my promotion, sir? Please think about it, sir.
You don't worry about that promotion. I will do your promotion. By the way, where are you now?
Sir, now I'm going out for some work, sir. For
Okay.
some work.
For how many time you are outside?
Sir, I will take... sir, right now, I think it will take me 2-3 hours max.
Can I tell you one thing, Atul?
Yes, sir. Please tell me, sir.
Your wife is really beautiful, Atul.
Thank you, sir.
You haven't introduced her and you haven't called me for dinner.
Nothing like that, sir. It's your house only, sir. You can come anytime,
Why
sir.
not?
You have given me everything, sir. Everything.
Yes, listen, Atul. Let's do a deal then. Then you don't have to go outside and you'll get the manager's post.
Okay, sir.
Sure.
Sure, sir. Tell me, sir, please.
Okay, so you understand what I'm saying? Atul, I want to sleep with your wife for a night. Huh?
Sir.
Do you understand?
Only that much, sir.
So the deal is done, right?
Okay. Done, sir.
I'll promote you then. What more do you want?
Yes, sir.
You are also happy.
Yes, sir.
Your wife is also happy.
Yes, sir.
And I am also happy.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Done,
Done.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.
Yes, who are you?
Oh, my name is Suresh. And I'm your husband Atul's boss.
Okay. Please come inside.
Okay.
Sir, you want to meet Atul, right? But he just went to office.
Yes, madam. I know. Atul is in office now. That is why I am here in absence of Atul.
But why? What's so special about
Because
it?
Atul is one of the best employer of our company. And our company is doing one implement scheme. And there is one surprise party for Atul. The information is only with family members and with us. And for you, there is double happiness. Because Atul is getting increment and he is promoted.
Really, sir?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Today I am very happy. Thank you so much, sir.
Oh no. I have triple good news for you.
Huh?
After promotion, Atul is no more sales executive. He will be sales manager. And he will not have to go outside.
It means that he won't travel outside?
No. Sometimes on very special occasions. Okay then, I'll leave.
How will you go like that, sir? You have just come. If you have come, at least have tea
Okay,
here.
if you are forcing me this much, let me have a cup of tea with you.
Okay, I'll just go quickly, make tea and get it.
Okay.
Okay, boss. So you came here because of me. Go on, boss. Do whatever you want. You came here to fool me. Instead, you will be trapped. And that too in such a way that you won't be able to get out of the trap. So much money I will get. So much shopping I will do. So much I will travel. It's going to be fun. And you, just see what will I do. Atul,
Yes, tell me.
that fool is over here.
Okay,
You just come fast.
okay, I'm coming now. Please take care of yourself. Okay?
Till then, I will take him inside the bedroom.
Okay, that's nice.
Come quickly.
Okay, okay, I'm coming.
Take this. And this is hot, sizzling tea.
Okay, okay. Oh, have you forgot to put sugar in the tea?
Oh, you need sugar? I will just
Huh.
get it right now.
Okay, okay.
Let me put this inside her tea. She'll be unconscious. Huh.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so nice tea.
Thank you so much, sir.
This is so nice. Same like you. Atul comes on time.
Yes, of course.
What? What happened to you?
I don't know, sir.
Madam?
Just feeling dizzy.
Oh, what happened? Take care. Madam, are you fine? Madam?
Oh, boss is doing all these things. Let me show him now what I can do. Wow. Oh.
After so long, I had fun doing this. She would have been conscious. I would have more fun. Atul?
Don't worry, sir. Let the promotion happen. I will give her when she is conscious also.
Huh? True? Your wife will...
Why not, sir? Why not? I have all the pictures with me now, sir.
Huh? delete it, please. I'll get caught, my friend.
No, sir.
यार बोल दिया यार.
Nothing will happen to you. I will never delete these pictures. It will give me two profits. First, you will take care of me in every terms. And second, for my wife, there will be a good post and promotion also. Oh, what happened, sir? Oh, I'm sorry, sir. These things happen, sir.
Atul, you are such bastard.
Okay, I am this bad. When you came to sleep with my wife, then I was good. Now get lost and listen. Before she wakes up and creates a nuisance, please leave and listen. I need my promotional letter by tomorrow. Or else you get to know. I still have the pictures. How are you, Babita darling? Please wake up.
That fool is trapped.
Oh, Babita darling.